that lady was staring at me. She probably thinks we're doing something crazy, even though we're just trying to catch a few bass and then dip. But I guess so. There's houses around the pond now, and I feel like they're gonna be more strict. Like, I used to fish this pond all the time, but we'll see. All right, guys. This isn't even my rod, but hey, I tied up the Senko, you know. So let's test it out. What the hell? Is this even the right tip? Oh well. First cast of the day, lefty. Come on, come down here. You know, we're using the good old Senko. Oh, it's so windy. 20-mile-per-hour winds. Holy sh... I can't even feel my bait. That's how windy it is. I haven't fished this Oh, that was just a snag. Alright, so this isn't even my rod. 1, 2, it's a lefty. 3, this thing's like a 7-footer. Come on. Let's go over there. Probably looking over here. It's hard to use this Senko in this wind. It's like the line keeps going. Oh, I had a bite. Just had a bite. Oh, what? The sworn. Hold on. It was a small bite though. No, I felt it, and then I snagged it into the stick. I swear. Hold on. We'll leave it there. I don't even know if they could see my rod, to be honest. Oh, that's a bite, that's a bite. Okay, so we know there's fish in here. Well, I was getting bites here, but... Probably already ate them. Oh, that was a bite. Did you see that? You definitely saw that. There's fish in here. I got more lure. Oh, I got a perfect lure. Here, Alright guys, we switched lures. We are now using this lure. It's a little, because I was getting little bites and it might be it. I don't even know if it's gonna hold because guys, I didn't get on video, but here's the first fish of the day. That's a good sign because that means there's bigger bass in here. So let's take it off. Relax. Holy, he's feisty, man. Damn. I should be holding it by its mouth, but alright, look at that. Take it home and put it in the fish tank. Fuck. Well, the line got stuck around my shoe. Alright, we good, we good.
Of course, as soon as they're gonna go for it, they goes for it.
I know. Oh shit, there's a bass. There's a bass. There's a bass. Oh, it's a little bigger. Oh, is that a bass? Wait, let me see. It looks like a shad. Oh no, it's a bass. There's a fish. A little baby fish. Let him go. I don't know why I was... Oh! A little porker. Oh, that's a nice looking sunfish. Look how yellow its stomach is, dude. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. That's a nice looking bluegill fish. Look at that yellow stomach. On a $2 Walmart lure. So, let's release this bad boy. There's one. Oh, what the? What the? Alright guys, we switched back to the worm, Senko, whatever you like to call it. So we're gonna try catching a bigger bass. Guys, we're back over here where I thought, oh, whoa. This spot looked pretty good for the Senko. It was a terrible day. What? What? Is that? Alright. Yeah, we got kicked out. We're leaving. Oh, we just got kicked out. Sick. So annoying. Right here, and this truck kicked us out. Oh, ready to drift? Yes? Stay on, guys. No, he's not. Here, record it. Hold on. Is he following us still? No, he's not.
Yes, he is. I swear to God.
He is?
Yes.
He's following us. Still? What the hell, man? Still? Oh, we're taking it through the trail. We're taking it through the trail.
No, do not take it to the trail.